between Mandurama and Neville in the Central Tablelands of New South Wales. We are looking at a pressure sensor installed onto a bore. We've put this in here to give us an idea of static pressure in the line, and as well as telling us when the bore pump actually works. This gives us a very quick indicator of how much pressure is in the pipeline, whether it's pumping right to the fully elevated tanks, or is there a break in the pipe close by, which would obviously indicate low pressure, in addition to the fact that the motor is running or not running.